Let's talk about X, baby. Let's talk about you and me. We are going to talk about Exby. I did a video on this sucker 2 weeks ago. Remember? There's 21,000 users in this thing. And I said it was more of a long-term project. So I wanted to give you guys an update. It's cool because Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're rallying. So what I'm going to do, instead of having my big coins just sitting in my wallet doing nothing, again, this is risky because it's DeFi, not financial advice, all that stuff. I'm going to take it over here and I'm just going to stake those coins in a liquidity farm. So you can manual trade on this platform, you can use their auto trading, or you can use this. I'm going to feature this in this video. 2 weeks ago, I said I was going to go in this and I hadn't gone in it yet because I was like, I want to see if this thing sticks around. So we're in 2 weeks, pretty good. But when I look at this, this project, by the way, they do arbitrage trading, or at least they claim. It's a huge platform. Look how many users. So, there's always that rug risk, guys, and everything. So I'm taking that risk. I'm only going to put in half ETH. So I'm going to make 1.2 to 1.4% a day on my Ethereum. And I just come here. I click Start Farming. Now, this is my first time doing this. So here we go. 0.49. Your balance is too low. Oh yeah. This is why we do these videos. You have to go to your wallet. Can you guys hear me chewing? How horrible is this? And then you want to come here. See where it says your Ethereum balance? You want to go top it off. Okay. How much do I want to withdraw? Or I want to deposit 0.49, right? Because 0.49 today is, it's a little bit over 2,000. So I want to put $1,000 in. Deposit ETH, continue. On the ERC20 network. You need to send us. I confirm. Pay attention to the network online. Will do. Here it is. Okay, 0.49. So I copy that. I come over here. And then I go into my Ethereum. I click send. I send it to the address that I just copied, ending in 9FA2. Yep, I always confirm. I'm going to send 0.49 ETH. Okay, it's about $1,000. There it is. Next. Network is busy. Gas prices are high. $2. Bro, I can handle it. Confirm. Paid. Okay, so it's pending. It's going to show up here. And then I got to click on address to send it to. So I click on paid. Don't forget to click on paid. Deposit ETH ERC success. The funds will arrive in your account after the transaction is confirmed by the network. Awesome. Confirmed. So they're going to show up here. And then, for the sake of this video, guys, to skip ahead here, I'm going to go into the products column and click on liquidity farming. It's very simple. Deposit funds, select a pool, select currency amount to push, receive rewards. Okay, very simple. I'm going to click start farming. And then I'm going to click in 100% of my balance, which is going to be 0.49. It's giving me the start date, which is today, November 15th or November 16th. And then the finish date is going to be February 17th, where I can pull back my Ethereum. Now, do I believe Ethereum is going to be worth more February of next year? I do, because it's before the Bitcoin halving, and it's hopefully we'll have news prior to that month, right prior about the ETF, Bitcoin ETF, maybe an ETH ETF. So what do I do in the meantime? I'm staking it, okay, for a daily 1.2%. Now that's very aggressive, and this is what has caused a lot of people to speculate whether the platform is legitimate. How can they be arbitraging that crazy of a percent? And by arbitrage, like if we click on Ethereum, go scroll down, you can see all these exchanges, how Ethereum is a different price. It's 2045 on Binance, it's 2042, it's 2044, 4430. So the idea is you would buy from one platform. So let's say right now I want to buy Ethereum on Binance right here. Or sorry, let's click Kraken. I want to buy it on Kraken because it's cheaper. It's $3 cheaper. Now, $3 isn't a lot, but if you're trading with millions of dollars, it adds up. And then you take that Ethereum and go right away and sell it on like Binance. So there's a lot of people that did this. I mean, this is how Sam Bankman made his wealth, but it has gone down dramatically. The amount of arbitrage opportunity is very, very hard to do. And so these people are claiming they'll do it for you, but you have to believe them. And that's the problem with everything in DeFi is it is a faith journey. It is not verifiable, a lot of these things. So Exby, I'll show you their website. Take a look through it. Top partners for top results, latest news, comprehensive trading solution. So just scroll through this if you want. There is a premium account. I'm not using that. This is what's free. 7 exchanges. This has 17 exchanges. You guys go into that. But this is also, this is the arbitrage trading. So I'm yield farming. I don't know if I said that right at the beginning of this video, but that's what I'm planning on getting into. So I made an account. I go into my dashboard, and this is what yours is going to look like. And there's my balance, guys. It just showed up. So, by the way, I want to show you my auto trading, show you my stake and how it's paying me out. See, I've got 42 bucks sitting there. You can come here, click details, and it breaks down all the trades they're doing. So this is just running in the background. In 22 days left on this, I will get all my capital back. So I've completed 26%. And I think I'm making about 0.5 to 1% a day in this, just staking Bitcoin here. But it's, again, not a ton of them. I'm not staking a lot of money, but you know, I am adding to it. You can see I've added 1,000. So if I go now to the products, click on liquidity farming, now that my Ethereum has arrived, there it is, guys. I just come here simply and click on ETH, start farming. 100% of that I want in there, making 1.10. That's this. Okay, so it's 3 months making that. Farming profit approximate amount. So I'm looking to basically total ROI 110%. So a little bit over double in that amount of time. That's pretty crazy, especially if I can pull out my initial, right? So 1.2% is crazy. It's good. I love that. There it is. Farming launched. Back to farming. View farming history. Okay, we're good. So, and then each day I just come here to reduce my risk by just doing withdrawals. So see where it says Bitcoin balance 42.85. I just click withdraw. I put in my Bitcoin address. I actually just grab it from my QOP account, and since it's visible there. But yeah, then I come and withdraw. So that is Exby. Definitely, you know, risk capital always, but it's something that I've been in for over 2 weeks. Some of you guys said it looks familiar to like SwapNext, which rugged, but I think it rugged after like over a year plus. Correct me if I'm wrong. And all I've heard is like this looks similar to. There's been no evidence of correlation. When these people reached out to me, by the way, so a couple weeks ago we did that sponsored video, so I always like to disclose that. I brought that up. I said some people said you guys are the same people behind SwapNext or your same platform. He said absolutely not. Tell them to show the evidence. That's not the case. So you know it is what it is. I believe there could be lots of game left in this sucker, but that's my opinion. Put my money where my mouth is. Risk capital. Good luck, guys. I'll put the link in the description for this sucker, and let me know what other projects you're in. Actually, don't let me know what other projects you're in, because I get a dozen messages every day about every project, and you're all like, "Hey, Jonathan, have you heard of this?" I've heard of it. Of course, I've heard of it, guys. They reach out to me every freaking day. All right, love you guys. Have a good day. Bye.